Hello, welcome back at Servovision. Today we proudly present our wheelchair control system. It's innovative and intelligent controller for brushless E-wheelchair. Makes it possible for users to operate the wheelchair freely and steadily and move in any direction. This brushless motor controller system realized the two different DC motors spinning at different speeds and direction, thus making sure that the wheelchair to move freely in any direction. It also makes the user to enjoy the power simply controlled by their fingers. The system is available in different wheel sizes. The wheels have a clutch. If used manually, the wheels run freely. Means for the smaller wheel sizes, the wheelchair can be pushed by hand easily, and if used, the bigger wheel size with handrail can be operated independent by the user of the chair. The system can be easily configured to any spec. So there's a programmer, which is shown in the video here, and yeah, you can program which directions the wheels go, what speed, how fast they stop, how fast they will go, and it's very easy to configure. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make a little demonstration for it. So I switch the system on. And hold it parallel to the wheels so you can see. So if I push forward, the moment I'm at the opposite side, you have to imagine it otherwise around. Wheels go in one direction. If I switch the direction, you can see how the wheels compensate for the turning of the wheelchair. Same goes for the reverse direction. So it's very easy possible to navigate this wheelchair, very easy and precise. Oh, even the horn is working. So I hope you enjoyed this little presentation and see you next time.